What's up, everybody? Today we're making barbia, which is Vietnamese spring rolls with Chinese sausage and jicama and eggs and carrots. And I know we all are familiar with the pork and shrimp spring rolls and the sweet pork nam nuong spring rolls, but the barbia is usually found next to the pork and shrimp at fast food places, as you see here. And Kim's mom made Chinese sausage from scratch. She cased it herself, cures it in that hot LA sun in the backyard. Look at this, in a custom built cage. She gave us some. Thank you, Mama Chow. And this is the inspiration behind this video, because I didn't just want to make fried rice, but we usually make fried rice with this. So here is the Chinese sausage from Mama Chow. Thank you. And you could boil them, or you can just refry them in the air fryer. This here is some jicama and some carrots. The footage got cut, so in the recipe's down below. You're gonna cut that down to matchstick sizes, and you're gonna boil it in hot water to 10-15 minutes. We got some dried shrimp here that I'm gonna blend up. And here we have our eggs that we're just gonna scramble out, fold. And this is kind of the lost spring roll that no one really knows of, but in Vietnam, all the street vendors, majority of them, serve this along with the pork and shrimp spring rolls, traditionally served with the peanut Hoisin sauce or fish sauce. So scramble up those eggs and just cut it up as so. These came out of the air fryer just to get them crisp up a little bit, because they're already cooked and cured. Thinly sliced. And here's our Mise. We got our scrambled eggs. We got our Chinese sausage. Everything's down below, guys. I'm going kind of quick because I'm just trying to knock this episode out. We got some lettuce, some Vietnamese mint, some chives, cilantro. We got some fried shallots. There's our dried shrimp. We got our cucumber, some basil. And that's our boiled jicama and carrots that we boil for like 10-15 minutes just so they sog up a bit and drain it. And that's also a very important aspect to barbia spring roll. So we're gonna lay down our lettuce. I got some Vietnamese mint. I have some basil. Level 1. We're gonna put in some cucumbers for that crunch. Here comes the jicama and carrots. So basically, I would say it's like 80 to 20% jicama to carrot ratio here. The jicama, delicious, crunchy, along with the carrots. Add in your scrambled eggs. And then level 2, we're going to lay down our Chinese sausage so they can showcase through the clear spring rolls, make it look pretty. Optional, some fried shallots or peanuts here. And then optional, dried shrimp that's blended up. And then just roll her up like a Cypress Hill concert. Keep it tight. Fold the edge over. And boom, that's your barbia. And it's important to have the Chinese sausage showing to make it look pretty. Show the eggs if you can, but mainly it's for the sausage here. And you got your jicama, your carrots, your eggs. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Till next time.